When a driver activates Active Distance Assist Distronic, the automatic lane change function offers additional convenience. The vehicle continually checks its surroundings. If a slower-moving vehicle is driving ahead, the Mercedes can automatically initiate a lane change to overtake it. An icon in the driver display along with an acoustic signal notifies the driver of the lane change. Remember, the driver remains responsible at all times. The vehicle only initiates an automatic lane change on freeways when the system detects lane markings and a clear path of travel. The driver's hands must always be on the steering wheel. The vehicle can also initiate an automatic lane change to help follow the active route guidance when approaching exit ramps or freeway junctions. This is Mercedes-Benz Intelligent Drive. Assisted driving is getting more intuitive by integrating more and more enhanced features.